This is an internet pedestal. This one is specifically for AT&T. The pedestal includes all of the connections to your household in each connection. AT&T specifically for DSL, also known as digital subscriber line, over the phone lines, which is actually extremely slow because of how thin the cable actually is, since it comes in with many interferences. So with most of the neighborhood output outlets, they begin at the internet exchange, also known as an IXP, to an ISP. Now, why does the X changing to an S is because it's an internet exchange, so that exchange actually shares with the other internet service providers where they actually deal with providing you is the internet. The ISP is able to wire your neighborhood with the cables that it needs to provide onto your house or into your house in order to get you the internet and the download and upload speed that you needed, just like what we talked about in episode 3. Now the outlet is also in front of your home. You might see it like this or this. It could be rounded or it could be a box. Now it can be bulky like AT&T, or either it can be like a pedestal like Spectrum. Now that service box outside of your house is actually what connects into your home. They just have to plug into the cable and just activate it at the Internet Exchange Center, also known as IXP, as you can mostly know. I'm just going to say it as Internet Exchange for now. Once it enters into your home, it goes into the modem. The modem decodes all the stuff, and if you have fiber, then it goes in at light speeds and it gets decoded down, and same with the coaxial and DSL. Now, this would allow the internet go from data packet to data packet from home to home. Oftentimes, this outlet is either in a big box where you get to see all of these connections, mostly for DSL because DSL needs more processing. While for television, it's pretty simple to decode it, especially when you know that there are these cable boxes. So you just put that cable box in, also known as a modem for internet. For a TV, it's just called the cable box. And then you just have it there, you put the Ethernet, put it into your router, all of that you know. Now, for fiber internet, because it's made out of a thin fiberglass line, that means each neighbor would get a separate connection. So they won't have a pedestal, but the pedestal is in the ground just to give the internet out, because it goes by the speed of light. And you can't really split the speed of light unless it's possible in the future. And with these output outlets, they're also on light poles if you don't have them underground, so it still has a way to go in. But this is mostly the neighborhood output outlet. It's fairly simple. It's just an outlet that's in front of your house, your neighborhood. It goes into your home through a cable, gets decoded by the modem, and then your laptop can read it, it can use it. That's what it is. I'm Reagan from ReaganVFilms Tech, and this is a World Wide Web. Go ahead and check out episode 3 right here, playlist, or whatever is just popping up on the screen to learn more about the internet. See ya later. And also, because school is actually out in September, actually it is, good luck in school if you have school.